Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Metallicus, Nasdaq, and Metallicus. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is safe, convenient, and secure. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, let us now look into the price and chart of both XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, guys. So this is XPR, guys. The market cap is $32 million at the moment. The volume is $739,000. Check out the daily chart, guys. It is up 3% for the day. The price is 0.001267. It has gone as low as 0.001208 and as high as 0.00127 in the daily. If we look into the 7-day chart, guys, then we can see that it is finally back to where it was 7 days ago, basically, guys, after the dip and due to the market volatility after BTC's all-time highs and real-world events, guys. It caused a bloodbath in the market, dips. A lot of projects dipped, guys, but it is back to where it was. Basically, it is basically penetrating this resistance over here, 0.001262. So yeah, I think this will be the next support level. If you look at the monthly, guys, it is still down for 14.11%. If you look at the monthly, guys, so I think it will be in due time. It will be back to the 0.0015 mark, guys. This seems to be the attraction point. Whenever the price has gone up, it has come back down to this level, guys. So yeah, check this out. It will come back to this area soon, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Yeah, check this out, 0.0013 as well. Crucial levels, I mean, this area, the 0013, 0015 mark seems to be a crucial level, and I think this will prove to be a crucial support level as well in the early as well, guys. If it breaks out from this level, it will become a massive support, in my opinion. If you look at the all-time chart, it is way down since its all-time highs, guys. Obviously, check this out. We've got a lot of road to cover, guys, to get to these levels. 0.0033435 will be next, and a crucial level, guys. Let's see where it goes, guys. Anyways, if you look at metal, guys, only $9.19 million market cap, guys. This is nothing in the grand scheme of things, guys. This is seriously nothing. 0.05838 at the moment, almost 6 cents, guys. But it has gone up for 4.72% in the last day, guys. So $9 million market cap is nothing for a project that has apparent connections with FEDNOW and elsewhere. Check this out, guys. Let me show you something really interesting over here. Guys, this has been posted. Was posted on April 16th, 2024, by Metal Blockchain, and it got reposted by Marshall Hayner as well, the CEO of Metallicus, guys, the founder and CEO of Metallicus. Check this out, guys. Nasdaq trade talks, guys, with the Jill Melandrinos. It was a really interesting video, guys. It is 18 minutes long, so I'm just going to be showing you the glimpse of it. You have to watch this video in its entirety, but we are just looking the purpose of this video is to look into the connection, guys, that Nasdaq trade talks is basically onboarding the member of Metallicus, Team Metallicus, and talking about Metallicus and its ecosystem, guys. So this is huge. Check this out: the future of banking and how TradeFi and fintechs should coexist, guys. Let us look into this.
Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Marshall Hayner, co-founder and CEO of Metallicus and board member of the Doge.
Basically, Marshall Hayner himself, guys. So yeah, this is awesome.
Coin Foundation, Andrew Carey, co-founder and CEO of Gold ATM, as well as Austin Strong, CEO of Tab Bank. They join me to discuss the future of banking and how TradFi and fintechs should coexist. Gentlemen, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks. Let's quickly go around the horn here. We'll start with you, Marshall. If you could just give us a brief description of where you sit within the financial ecosystem.
Thanks for having me on, Jill. As you know, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Metallicus. In the crypto space, Metallicus is working on integrating traditional finance and decentralized finance where it previously didn't work together. We work with banks and financial institutions in building private ledgers and connecting them to the public ledger through our banking innovation program with Metal Blockchain. And we've been around for a little while. We started in 2016. At the kind of the early days of crypto, I guess you could call it. And our goal is to build the world's most customer-centric digital asset banking network.
In a nutshell, the keyword is customer-centric, guys, to make life easy for the customers. In a nutshell, this is what Metallicus stands for and its products.
All right. And Andrew, tell us about Gold ATM.
Hey, nice to be here, Jill. Really appreciate it. Gold ATM is a
Alliance Bank. People really discuss the bank moves slow and blockchain moves very, very quickly.
Yeah, this is true, guys. The bank moves extremely, extremely slow. You have been a victim of that. I've been a victim of that. If you haven't, I do not know, but I've been a victim of this slow banking time and again, guys. I've had hurdles. I've had blockades time and again thrown at me, guys. Digital assets, they are fast, and the thing is, guys, we are now used to crypto and digital assets, guys, and they move so fast, and you can basically function so fast. Then after basically using this or getting familiar with this territory, when you go back to the obsolete and outdated banking system, guys, it is a headache, guys. It is really annoying. It is really frustrating, guys. You know that it is irritating as hell. Anyways.
So these are two things that are kind of have been at odds with each other. Metallicus and the work that we do is trying to decipher that and make it simple and also make it compliant, build the regulation technology directly into the decentralized ledger, something that previously wasn't something that people really discussed in the space so much, and now is becoming something more and more popular as we see larger financial institutions and banks enter the decentralized ledger and private ledger as well.
So basically marrying the speed of technology with the scalability of a traditional financial institution is what it sounds like.
That's correct. Yes.
Right. Andrew, so many questions for you here. Why create
the best of both worlds, guys? And like Hayner mentioned, guys, they are basically being compliant, regulated, and they're trying to bring this compliance to the on-chain activities and to the chain, guys, the decentralized sphere, to basically bridge the gap between TradeFi and fintech, the blockchain network, basically modern tech with the traditional finance.
Gold ATM?
a lot more.
We can easily use a little bit more risk.
Look like?
Absolutely. I think it's already arrived. It's just so early, it's hard to see how big it will become. So if you look at the Bitcoin
business with us.
What was the question? I mean, what did
to our customers that are depositing money at our bank. And so there's a business model that works here, and we think that there's a large population that benefits, that has largely been underserved and will continue to be in the future.
Marshall, do you foresee a time when digital currency will be trusted enough to play a core role in the global economy? What do you think that would look like?
Absolutely. I think it's already arrived. It's just so early, it's hard to see how big it will become. So if you look at the Bitcoin ETFs that were approved recently, they're growing rapidly into the double digits, and soon I believe will be into the triple digit billions. It's only a matter of time, in my opinion, before tokenized digital assets on the public and private ledgers breach $1 trillion. And I think that that will be a tremendous moment. When you look at tokenized assets, for example, the BlackRock BUIDL fund, I think it's very interesting because you have traditional finance tokenizing assets and products that were previously available behind the desk or not on the public ledger. Now they are available on the public ledger. They're quickly growing, and you're seeing some of the larger, for example, the top 4 banks and larger institutions entering. But for example, we have over 4,000 banks in the United States. We have over 4,000 regional banks, over 5,000 credit unions, and they're very much interested in faster payments, tokenization of assets. And so as you see the rest of the banking system and other financial institutions come online in the US, this is where you'll start to see small business integrate blockchain-based payments, fiat currencies, for example, stable coins. Small business merchants are paying 3% all the way down on their retail transactions. Imagine a future where cash is digital. There isn't a transaction fee. It may be close to nothing or zero, and there are no chargebacks. Furthermore, digital identity can give consumers more control and ownership of their personal information, something that's become more and more a problem over the years. And as it pertains to finance and digital finance, it will allow us more privacy and more ownership. That also can build a strong relationship between the customer and small business. And I think over the next few years, we're going to
Guys, this is huge, and some of the points over here, guys, it is awesome to know that the digital identity sphere of things, guys. Time and again, we say that a lot of people say that crypto is supposed to be anonymous and people shouldn't know what's happening. But guys, if you look at the grand scheme of things, digital identity will be important. For instance, in the case of inheritance, if you basically own something and you want to give it to your, let's say, your kids or something like that, that digital identity is going to be relating you to that asset that now it basically is in it was in the wallet of a deceased person, let's say. So I'm looking at it at a pragmatic level, guys, that if this industry is to mature, we need something more, something that people can trust. I mean, and it is more practical than just a decentralized idea. Obviously, decentralization is a part and parcel of what crypto stands for. But guys, going forward, the utility sphere, we're going to be needing some projects that basically connect the two worlds. And Metallicus ecosystem, XPR, Metal, they're trying to do that. And like Marshall said, that efficiency, the cost effectiveness, that the percentage that is being the fees that basically merchants incurred at this point is too high, guys. And we need something efficient. We need something more optimized. And as far as the answer to this question, that yeah, we're seeing the time that these projects will mature and these digital assets or the digital currencies will become mainstream. They will become even more global and they will have practical use cases like tokenization and other stuff. It is inevitable, guys. We're at that basically in the infancy stage of that grand stage. BTC came when it launched, guys. We're basically at that stage now that where it will take a few more years when everything will become practical, and especially these utility projects, guys, they'll give fruits in terms of investment and in terms of these other layers as well to basically change the financial landscape for the better, guys. So what do you guys think about this talk? You have to check this out yourselves as well. What do you guys think about it all? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. And by the way, this was sponsored by Nasdaq. So what do you guys think? Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.